Have you noticed the increase of sicknesses, pollution, and nature awareness? These are a few of the growing topics that are caused by a common factor: mass production. Mass production is used in all aspects of engineering and ensures that a continuous number of products are made in a short time. This non-stop process requires large manufacturing centers which typically demand the constant use of unsustainable resources. With mass production comes the process of subtractive manufacturing, the process of cutting down solid elements using extreme heat to create and shape products. The cut-down materials are in a modified final state that cannot be reused and do not degrade or decompose, causing the buildup of invasive waste. An example we can relate to is the potato chip bag. Potato chip bags are made up of at least 4 layers of different materials. The layers for ink, dryness, and protection do not allow oxygen to alter its structure, making it impossible to deteriorate and recycle. This global method of mass production is causing the growth of landfills, contamination sources, and is becoming a threat to all life, including us. A possible solution to this problem is biomimetics. Biomimicry is the action of looking at nature to solve complex human problems. In nature, we find a vast variety of insects and other types of crustaceans that create their own exoskeleton. When these interesting creatures die, their exoskeletons are easily decomposed, making it efficient for other animals and nature to use quickly. Scientists are fascinated with how nature's natural manufacturing process uses common elements to create strong, thin, and colorful structures that easily degrade to be used again and again. Chitin is the second most abundant natural element in nature. It is found in exoskeletons of insects, fungi, and hard structures of crustaceans and fish. These creatures make their armors by secreting chitin mixed with calcium carbonate to form a multi-purpose shell. Instead of multiple layers, this natural chitin combination gives this beetle protection, porosity, color, and water resistance. As a polysaccharide, it has the similar structure of plant cells, cellulose. The structure of hexagonal canal layers allows its special glucose and modified sugar to bond with other elements, creating a natural form-like plastic. Oxygen can alter the structure, making it easy to decompose. With biomimicry studies, chitin, along with the structural shapes of honeycomb hexagons and bamboo structures, create new degradable composite plastics, such as Shrilk, made from shrimp shells. These composites are being successfully used in all aspects of engineering. They not only replace toxic plastics and metals, but also better utilize mass production processes. Engineering companies are also looking to replace subtractive manufacturing for 3D printing, a low-heat process also known as additive manufacturing, with sustainable biomimetic plastics to help create a better future.